Hello again. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and we are here with the Senton 4S that got converted. And let me show you what's going on inside of this monster. So you have inside a Spectrum 4S 130 amp motor. We also changed the steering servo here to 25 kilograms, and we changed the wheels also to those Duratrax C2, the lockup MT for the monster truck. And then we trimmed the body pretty big, so it's not gonna touch, because what's going on, usually the body touched the tires of the original and it just destroyed it. So let's run it and show you guys what a monster it is with this big 4S motor. Look how big this thing is on a small car. Let's plug it in. Okay, it's working. We can put the cover on. Now I'm gonna put details for all the parts that there is on it, so if you guys want, we can get it in my shop. Now this body did not come with the car. This is kind of a body that you buy separately and you put on it, and let me show you how this monster is run. Like a turtle. Okay, and on this note, we're gonna finish this video before we're gonna destroy this thing, but it's absolutely monster. See you on my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look at this monster.